Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. It's quiz time. The quiz are about animals, birds, and living things. How many hearts of an octopus have? Option A 1, option B 3. The correct answer is option B 3. Animals are option A non-living things, option B living things. So the animals are living things. Option B. Can ostrich fly? Option A. Yes, it can. Option B. No, it cannot fly. Correct answer is option B. No, it cannot fly. Which bird have no tail? Option A. Parrot. Option B. Kiwi. The answer is option B. Kiwi. Can kiwi fly? Option A. Yes. Option B. No. The answer is option B. No. Kiwi cannot fly. Which animals live in jungle? Option A. Pet. Option B. Wild. The answer is wild animals live in jungle. Blue whale is a option A land animal, option B water animal. The answer is water animal. Blue whale is a water animal. Which animals work for people? Option A wild, option B domestic. The answer is domestic animals work for people. Fish live in option A air, option B water. The correct answer is option B water. Birds live in option A water, option B air. Correct answer is option B air. Dash have fins, scales, gills and a tail. Option A fish, option B cat. Correct answer is option A fish. Dash have feathers and wings. Option A animals, option B birds. The correct answer is option B birds. Baby animals look like their option A parents, option B birds. The correct answer is option A parents. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your family and friends.